Financial Empowerment with Ana Cardenas. Living Benefits for Life is pleased to present this program of information and tips for your financial future. And now, here's Ana.
Hello, my friends, and welcome to Financial Empowerment. My name is Ana Cardenas, and I am so happy to be here to share with you a few things about life insurance. And we're going to do today, we're going to compare what a traditional life insurance is for and what a living benefits life insurance it's all about. We're going to compare both of those. We are going to start with, every time I ask the question, what does life insurance mean to you? Unfortunately, all the people just think of what the traditional life insurance is all about. And what does that mean? It means that it has a death benefit. It means that the person that owns the policy will have to die in order for other people, for the beneficiaries, to receive the benefit, right? So I have replaced a lot of death policies, that's what I call them, death policies, because it's related to death, to new ones. So people sometimes don't realize that what they have is not exactly what they need. Let me just give you an example. I have a client that had a policy, a traditional policy. First of all, the coverage was not enough. Second of all, the way she was rated was incorrect, and she was rated a smoker. She does not smoke. Also, she was paying a high premium for that, and she needed to actually be dead in order for the people that she put in her policy, beneficiaries, and that can be your spouse, can be children, it can be anybody that you want to get the benefit when you died. Of course, a lot of people, they want to make sure they have enough money for the funeral and things of that nature. So, there's this idea that people think life insurance is about when I die, when I'm gonna, unfortunately it has like a very negative type of feelings with people, and it doesn't have to be that way, okay? Things have changed in the industry, and now I want to tell you and compare living benefit life insurance. What is that? Well, I'm really excited because it does have the death benefit, so just like the other one, but it has a lot more. So definitely that is covered, but it has the money component. Before we go into that, let me talk about, it has the critical illness rider included. What does that mean? The people can be covered in case they get sick. The three most common illnesses are heart attack, stroke, cancer, but there's so many other illnesses that are covered. In many of the states, there's 16 illnesses that will qualify for an acceleration of the benefit. In California, there's 13. But we also have what is called chronic illness rider that is already included in this type of policy. And what that means is if somebody can't perform 2 of the 6 daily activities, if they can't walk, feed themselves, transfer in and out of bed, if they can't bathe them, hold anything down, things of that nature. That's what I consider a person with when it becomes disabled. And it has also the terminal illnesses too. So there's there's a wide variety of illnesses that are covered. We don't have to die to use the policy. We I become the first beneficiary of my policy. If that happens to me, I can be assured that I will have the funds to cover any other expenses. And that goes along with the money. The money, the insurance company will give you money, and that will cover medical treatments. It can cover medical bills. It can cover deductibles. It can cover copays and any other expenses you might have, even living expenses. That can cover also your mortgage, your food, your bills, anything that you are facing. That's your money. You get to use it for whatever you want to use it. It also can be used as a way to replace an income. When a person gets sick, well, that person is not going to be able to go to work. If the person is working and they're sick, they can't go to work. If they can't go to work, that means that income is not going to be available. And what if the person doesn't have any other funds available? What if the person is really relying on the income to survive, to live? So the insurance can definitely bring the cushion to have all the money, and it's accessible to the insured person, and they can use it for anything they want. And also, one of the most important things is a peace of mind. It's a peace of mind for whenever you need it the most. We have been in situations, I'm sure, where we are going through a situation, and sometimes when we don't have that is when we need it the most. Same thing over here. Just like any other type of insurance, let me just give you an example. Car insurance. It's required, it's needed. You're driving a car, you need car insurance. Well, won't you agree that we are more important than a car? That we should insure ourselves? Now we have all these benefits. It covers in case of an illness. It can happen anytime. So why not insure ourselves first? These policies are anybody can qualify, and they're very easy. Those riders are already included, and it's not an additional charge. Sometimes it's the same thing that people are paying for a traditional life insurance, or sometimes even less. So if you have a traditional life insurance, I encourage you that you look into living benefits. And then if you don't have one, I urge you to get one with living benefits, so you are protected in case you get sick or whatever happens. So this is what I wanted to share today about what a traditional life insurance is and what a life insurance is. I also want to tell you that I have a client that is going through cancer type 3, and she's been paying on her insurance for a little over a year, and she's now she's submitting a claim. So it works the same as a car insurance. She's submitting a claim to get the money now. Why? Because she's not working, and she needs money for many expenses, many medical expenses, and also just money to survive. So it's wonderful. It's really a peace of mind for people, and it's the assurance that you have the protection for you, for your loved ones, and for a good quality of life. So definitely reach out to me. Here's my information. You can email me, go to my website, and also give me a call, 925-386-6640. I'm here to help you, and I hope you take advantage of this information and share it. Please share it with anybody or everybody. Thank you.